Understanding limited resources in everyday context. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, limited resources. This phrase is not just limited to economics or business, but is a part of everyday conversation. Understanding what it means can help you grasp the context in various discussions, whether it's about personal life, environment, or global issues. So, let's dive in. Limited resources is a compound noun consisting of two parts, limited and resources. First, let's look at each word individually. Limited means something that is confined within boundaries. It's not infinite or endless. Resources refer to the supplies or assets that are available for use. These can be natural resources like water and oil, or other types like time, money, or even skills. When we combine these words, limited resources implies that the supplies or assets available are not unlimited and are restricted in quantity or availability. To better understand limited resources, let's look at some examples. 1. Environmental context. When talking about our planet, limited resources often refers to natural resources like fossil fuels, water, or minerals that are not renewable or are depleting rapidly. It highlights the need for conservation and sustainable usage. 2. Personal finance. In a household, limited resources might mean a restricted budget or savings. It indicates that there is only a certain amount of money available for expenses. 3. Time management. In our daily lives, time is a limited resource. We only have 24 hours in a day to accomplish our tasks, emphasizing the importance of prioritizing and managing time effectively. Understanding the concept of limited resources is crucial in communication. It helps in recognizing the constraints or challenges in a given situation, developing empathy towards individuals or communities dealing with scarcity, enhancing problem-solving skills by thinking creatively within limitations. Sometimes, limited resources can be misunderstood. It's important to clarify that limited does not always mean insufficient. It just means there is a finite amount. Not all resources are tangible. Skills, knowledge, and time are also valuable resources. The concept encourages efficiency and innovation, not just restriction and scarcity. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, limited resources, and how it applies in various aspects of life. Remember, knowing such phrases not only improves your language skills but also enhances your comprehension of different subjects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.